Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's about 6 o'clock, Sunday, March 11, 2018. Let's take a look at radar and starting to see pretty much what was forecast going on here. We're going to have a very sharp cutoff on snow totals. Again, parts of southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, southwest Kentucky, northwest Tennessee may end up with very little in the way of snowfall. Some of you will have no snow. Some of you a dusting an inch or two across that area. Now, the heaviest snow was forecast to fall from southeast Illinois into west Kentucky and then southern Indiana. That is what is happening. And as we look at radar here, the green and the dark green, the yellow, that's all rain. But then when you see this transition to the blue, the purple, and the pink, that's snow. Very heavy snow in the pink. We're getting some banding there, 1 to 2 inches of snow per hour. Some photographs out of Smithland, Kentucky. Looks like already a couple inches, maybe more than 2 inches has already fallen. Harrisburg, Illinois, it looked like 2 or 3 inches in the photograph that I saw. Northern Polk County, 2 or 3 inches of snow. Roads, lots of accidents are being reported. Use care on the roads. The slushy snow is causing problems. We see a little bit of a band back here in eastern Missouri that's weakened over the last few hours. So what's going to happen the rest of the night as this low pressure continues to develop and mature to our southeast? We will see this comma head pivot through our area. The heaviest snow is likely to continue to fall over southeast Illinois, parts of west Kentucky, not all, parts of west Kentucky, and then into southern Indiana. A real mess for the roads now that the sun is starting to go down in about an hour or so. We're going to start seeing more and more road problems. We'll lose the sun and the angle helping to melt that snow. All right, so the rest of the evening into tonight, winter weather advisory for some of the counties in southeast Missouri, a few here in northwest Tennessee, but really you may not see much snow there. Even in some of the winter weather advisory counties in southern Illinois, again, forecast has been no snow to maybe a little bit. And then in the winter storm warning area, in and close to that area, that's where we have to watch. Now, whether Graves County, Callaway County, Marshall, we'll just have to see, especially Callaway and Graves County. Are you guys going to end up with the 1 to 3 inches of snow? I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. It's close. It's very close. Whether this pivots in a little bit over the next couple of hours for those wanting snow, that's the crucial item we'll need to watch on radar, is does that snow pivot into Graves and Callaway County? If not, you're not going to have very much snow at all. Heavy snowfall, 1 to 4 inches in these pink areas, and a band of 4 to 8 inches possible as this storm matures. And if we get a little bit of banding later tonight, a more intense band forming and pivoting over the same area, that's when you end up with those 4 to 8 inches, those bigger numbers. Will that happen? Won't that happen? Again, it's been low confidence all day, and as I told you since yesterday, very low confidence in the snowfall totals forecast for some of my forecast counties. Just almost impossible to get it right for everyone, but I do think we've done a decent job on pinpointing where the heaviest snow is going to fall, and that is going to be right through here in southeast Illinois and parts of west Kentucky. All right, I will continue to monitor the updates and the latest trends in radar. Let me go ahead and show you this HRRR model. Let's see if there's a new one in the last one. There we go. Yes, it goes out to the end of this event. So you see this sharp cutoff here. Mount Vernon, a trace of snow. Poplar Bluff, just a very little bit, if any at all. Northwest Tennessee, very little. And then you have this sharp cutoff on these totals. This particular model, doesn't mean it's right, says 5 inches in Paducah. Still showing this very heavy band of snow, 4 to 8 inches. Ignore these numbers. This is just the model. Models spit out numbers all the time and not always accurate, but ignore that. What I want you to take is a general idea that this purple area is where the heaviest snow is forecast to occur, and that lines up right now with what radar is showing. As you move further and further away from that purple area, less and less snow and less opportunity for heavy snow tonight. So we'll see how it goes, but this is generally about right. I agree with this graphic, don't necessarily agree with the numbers, but the placement of the snow and the heavy snow, I do agree with.